Hi everybody, my name is Mr. Nate. So I'd like to welcome you to this lesson for today. Don't forget that this is the last lesson for the term. And after this particular video, there is a quiz that you need to be part of. A lot of children in Lagos are going to be part of this challenge. So today's quiz is more like a challenge and you are expected to participate in the challenge. So after the video, try as much as possible to click the description button on our YouTube page so that you see the link to the quiz for today. Hope you understand. Let us go straight to the point. So we started talking about web design last week. I could remember we designed the first page of our website. So the next thing I want us to do for this lesson is to insert a few more pages, create our contact us page, and then we'll call it a day. And I expect that you will explore the Mobilize application on your own and try to build more interesting websites for your parents. So let's go. The next thing is to launch the Mobilize application. I believe you have the Mobilize application on your computer already. So this is Mobilize application on my computer system. So I will just click the Mobilize application. It will take us to the app. It will take us to the last place we stopped. So this is the home page of our website, and don't forget our website is Toys for Kids. And don't forget that I used the logo here, but I used In-Depth Computers logo because I've not really designed a logo for this particular brand. So you can go ahead to use Paint application, Canva, or whichever application you have, graphic design application you are familiar with. Design a simple logo for your website. Okay, so the next thing is I like to just create our About Us page. So I'll just click the About Us page and then I'll look for a place where there is write up. Okay, so this is, I could use this for our About Us page because the reason I can use the About Us page is because it has information that I could just replace, and the information will basically talk about the website. So I don't really have stuffs on my head, so I could just go to Google and just pick a write-up basically. So I could just say toys for kids. I'm going to see different write-ups. I'm going to see a website, so I'll just copy there because I'm just trying, because of time, it's more like I'm cloning a website. So I'll just check a website that has write-ups about toys. So I have some information, things they can reach for, hold, suck. Okay. Yeah, so I think this is a website. This is a website. You can see how they did their own website. There's a lot of write-up that talks about the different toys for different age range, and I think this is a fantastic website. Toys for your children. In addition to being safe, good toys for your children need to match their stages. So let's just copy this. I don't really need to read too much information because I don't want to spend so much time on this particular video because we have a quiz at the end of the lesson. So I'll just paste this here. I'll just remove this. I'll remove this. I can say toys for fun and safety. So this button I don't need it here, so I could go to block parameters. I will just say I don't need the button. I don't need the button. I could just remove the button basically. So this is all I need for this page. So you scroll to my first page, this is what you see. You scroll to my second page, this is what you see. Then my next page, I want to really put pictures of different toys. So I'll click this and then I'll look for where I have something that looks like gallery that has several pictures I've seen something already. Okay, I like to use this as my gallery. Yes, gallery. So I'm cool with this. So when you move to the first page, yes, toys for kids, bring your kids. Toys for kids is a place where you can find great toys for your child or for your children. So this can go to this line for your children. And then when you go to the next page, this is talking about the website and then the toys, and then here we can see gallery with pop slider. I don't have to put, I can make it our toys, so that it's like the second page. So I can remove this subtitle. Now I could also do this. I can say about us. The font, we could reduce the font size actually. Okay, so let me just leave the size. Let me leave the size. Oh yeah, I think I'm good like this. I'm good like this. So this is my next page. So I could now start changing this image. So this apple, I don't need an apple. I just need a toy. So I could go online. I could just say you know, I'm not building a real site. I'm just trying to do something real quick. So I might just put a computer. I'm sorry, this might not really be a real toy, but I just want us to put something because there's no time and I don't want us to really waste time. So let's assume this is a toy. Okay. Let me see if I could just download some things from the internet quickly without wasting much time. Toys. If this is not going to waste my time, I'll just download a few toys, images, a few toys, so that when you are doing yours as well, you know I'm teaching you how to build a real site. Toy 1. So I'll save it in download. I can save this as well. Toy 2. Save it in my download. I'm just doing this so that you understand what we're doing. You know it is real. Because I know some children don't believe they can build their own websites. I'm telling you, it is really, really easy. It is really, really easy to build your own website. So stop thinking you can't do it. You can do all things. You can do all things. So it's really not a big deal to build a website. It's really not a big deal. With Mobirise, you can build a professional looking website, and that is what I'm showing you already. Toy 4. So after this lesson, I'd like you to take this particular software seriously. Try as much as possible to always practice how to use this application, and you'll be shocked that you would start building amazing websites soon. Start building amazing websites soon. Now look at our pictures of my toys already uploaded here. Now my pictures are not really sharp. I can tell you why. The reason is because I did not download the pictures properly. But it's alright. We are just trying to work with time. But when you are working on your own site, try and download the pictures properly. Now how to download a good picture? Don't download from here. Once you click, you let it to load properly here before you download. Okay? Toy 5. Another reason why my picture could be looking that blurry, it could be because of my network. It could be because of my network, but I'm just trying to download more pictures. I'm careful about time though, but I just want us to do something really sweet so that you believe in what you are doing. When you see my site, you want to do something better. Okay, so let me quickly upload those pictures and see how it will come out, because these ones are already blurry. These ones are already blurry. Okay, now we have a sharper image. Yes, we have a sharper image. Yeah, we have a sharper image right now. It's better because your pictures on your website should really be attractive. That is the only way people would want to stay on your site to see. If your pictures are not really interesting, people will not stay on your site. So this is my site. This is my first page. That's my friend Jeremy, very handsome child. And this is my next page, about us page, and this is my page that is showing us about our toys. Now the last page I want to add is our contact us page. So I could just click on contact here. Now I can decide to put the map. I'll put the map here, and then yes, I'm going to go to settings to fill up the contact us page. So I'll put my address. My address is 39. That's our office address, Agidi Road, Iyano School, bus stop, K2 Alapere, Lagos, Nigeria. Yes. So you can also click Google Map iframe. It's just going to help you to set your map properly. Okay, so let's not, I don't want us to. So you click update. Google Map is going to update the address. Put simple address that Google can easily identify. So Google is still trying to load the address. It will load eventually, but because we really have limited time, I don't want us to spend so much time here. I would just want us to, I'm sure on your own computer system, Google is going to load the map, but because of my network, I may not want to wait for the map to completely load. But if you try it on your own computer system, you see that it's amazing. Google is going to show your address here on the map, and you see how it works. I believe you enjoyed today's class, and I believe that you have learned a lot from this lesson. Please, if you don't practice this, you will not really know it. So you really need to practice this. Beyond watching this video, get a computer system, install the MobiWrite software on it, and practice. If you don't understand anything, go to the previous video, watch the previous video. I'm sure it will help you. If you watch the previous video, if it does not help you, I'm sure when you get to school on Monday and you ask your ICT teacher, he's going to explain all you need to know as regards this particular topic. I believe this has brought us to the end of this lesson. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, everybody.